24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Ordinal numbers. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial, and abstract, and students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the concept of ordinal numbers. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Inform them that they will be learning about ordinal numbers. Learning objectives. Students should be able to briefly define an ordinal number, understand when ordinal numbers are used, speak and write various ordinal numbers up to 10th. When lining up to go outdoors, divide the children into groups of 10s and assign each child an ordinal number from 1st to 10th. Tell the children that the numbers which give us the exact position of an object or person are called ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tell the position of an object rather than their quantity. Tell them that they will identify the position of objects and persons. Inform the children that they will be learning about ordinal numbers. To move forward, follow these steps. 1. Have 10 children come and stand in front of the class. 2. Ask them how they could describe their positions. What position is a student in? What about this student? 3. Explain that first, second, etc. are ordinal numbers. They tell us about the order things are in. 4. Show the children numbers, for example, first, second, etc. and words, first, second, etc. 5. Have the children stand in 3 lines of 10 each. Give them cards to get into order. 6. Make the children learn ordinal numbers. Play a game following these steps. 1. Each student is given a card with an ordinal number. 2. Tell them that in a few minutes they are going to have a race. A race to see how fast everyone can put themselves in order. 3. Have the students look at their number and listen as the teacher goes behind each student, starting with the first one at the front of the classroom, and say, "This is the first student in line." 4. Whoever is holding the ordinal number first, put up your hand. 5. This is where you go. 6. Continue on to the second student and say, "This is the second student in the line. Who's holding the ordinal number second? You'll stand here." 7. For the third student, simplify it, saying third. Who is third? 8. Nod to that student and continue. 4th. When that student puts up his or her hand, ask him or her, "What do you do?" They should answer, "I go there," or "I'll stand there." 9. Remind the students to remember where they are going. Continue counting ordinally until you reach the last student. Make sure to involve the whole class, as they will learn more by being part of the game. Ask them to open their textbooks and take the correct position of objects. Reinforcement worksheet of ordinal numbers can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.